If you just updated your iPhone but the cleanup tool is missing from the Photos app, here's how to fix it. First of all, open the Photos app, then scroll down to the Utilities section, then look for Duplicates album. And if you don't see it yet, don't panic, let's fix that. Give iPhone time to scan. The Duplicates album only appears after iOS finishes scanning your library. Make sure your phone is charged, connected to Wi-Fi and idle. This scan can take hours or even days depending on how many photos you have. So keep the Photos app closed in the background so it can scan faster. Then check your iOS version. The cleanup tool is only available on iOS 16 or later. So to check that, go to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into About, and if you're on an older version, go back and tap on Software Update to install the latest version. Then restart your iPhone. Sometimes a quick restart helps photos refresh this scan. And be patient. Apple doesn't show the cleanup feature immediately. It needs time to detect duplicates. So, if your phone has just been updated or reset, give it at least 24 to 72 hours to process. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.